The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. It's not just a tool for communication or entertainment anymore. It's a vast landscape of opportunities waiting to be explored. Gone are the days when a traditional job was the only option. The digital age has opened doors to countless new ways of making a living, breaking the chains of the 9-to-5 grind. Today, countless opportunities exist to make money online, even with zero experience. From freelancing to e-commerce, the possibilities are endless and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for additional income, the online world welcomes you with open arms. It's a realm where your background doesn't limit your potential. This accessible and flexible way of earning is perfect for anyone with an internet connection and the willingness to learn. The key is to stay curious and open to new experiences. Don't be intimidated by the unknown, let's dive in. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. The beauty of online work lies in its flexibility. You can tailor your work schedule to fit your lifestyle, making it easier to balance personal and professional commitments. Work from anywhere, anytime, and set your own hours. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling the world, your office is wherever you are. This level of freedom and control over your earning potential is empowering. It allows you to take charge of your financial future and pursue your passions. But where do you begin? The online world can be overwhelming, but with the right guidance, you can navigate it successfully. Don't worry, we'll explore several proven methods that require minimal investment and can be started with no prior experience. From affiliate marketing to online tutoring, there's something for everyone. We'll delve into the specifics of each method, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to get started. So, get ready to embark on your journey into the digital goldmine. Remember, the digital world is vast and full of potential. With determination and the right approach, you can turn your online endeavors into a sustainable source of income. Let's get started. Do you have a knack for writing, graphic design, or social media? Freelancing might be your calling. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect businesses and individuals with skilled freelancers worldwide. Create a profile showcasing your talents, set your rates, and start bidding on projects that match your skills. Writing blog posts, designing logos, creating social media content, or even providing virtual assistants are just a few examples of in-demand freelance services. Remember, start small and gradually build your portfolio and reputation. Positive client reviews are golden and will attract more clients, leading to higher earnings. Have a passion for crafting, vintage finds, or unique products? Consider launching your own online store. Platforms like Etsy and eBay provide user-friendly interfaces to create your digital storefront. List your items, write compelling descriptions, and set your prices. Don't underestimate the power of high-quality product photos and detailed descriptions. These are crucial for attracting customers and making sales. Utilize social media to promote your store and engage with potential buyers. The best part? You're in control of your brand, products, and profits. If you're looking for a simple way to earn extra cash in your spare time, online surveys and microtasks are great options. Platforms like Swagbucks and Toluna offer paid surveys, while websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, offer microtasks, which are small online tasks that can be completed quickly. While these methods might not make you rich, they provide a steady stream of extra income for minimal effort. The key is consistency. Dedicate a certain amount of time each day or week to complete surveys and tasks, and watch your earnings gradually grow. Section 5. Blogging, sharing your passion, earning your worth. Are you passionate about travel, food, fashion, or technology? Do you have a unique perspective or expertise that you want to share with the world? Blogging allows you to share your interests with the world while potentially earning a substantial income. It's a platform where your voice can be heard and your creativity can shine. Create a blog for free on platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Choose a niche that excites you, whether it's travel, food, fashion, technology, or any other topic you're passionate about. Start writing engaging and informative content that resonates with your audience. Research keywords and trends to ensure your content is relevant and discoverable. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Monetize your blog through various methods. Advertising can bring in revenue through display ads. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote other companies' products or services on your blog, earning a commission for each sale made through your links. You can also sell your own products or services directly to your readers. Engage with your readers by responding to comments and building a community around your blog. This interaction can foster loyalty and encourage repeat visits. Building a successful blog takes time and effort, but the rewards can be immense, both financially and personally. With dedication and passion, you can turn your blog into a thriving business that not only earns you money, but also allows you to do what you love every day. Section 6. Affiliate Marketing. Partnering for Profit. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Choose products or services that align with your niche and promote them on your website, blog, or social media channels. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products or services to promote and targeting the right audience. Provide genuine value to your audience by recommending products or services that you believe in and that solve their problems. Section 7. Online tutoring, sharing knowledge, earning income. Are you proficient in a particular subject? Share your knowledge and earn money by becoming an online tutor. Platforms like TutorMe and Schooly connect students with qualified tutors across various subjects and grade levels. Online tutoring offers flexibility and the satisfaction of helping students succeed. Set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and make a difference while earning a decent income. Section 8. Minimal investment, maximum potential. One of the most appealing aspects of making money online is the minimal investment required. This is especially attractive for those who are just starting out and may not have a lot of capital to invest. The internet has democratized opportunities, allowing anyone with a computer and an internet connection to explore various income streams. Many of these methods can be started with little to no upfront costs. For example, you can begin by offering freelance services, such as writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants, without needing to spend money on office space or equipment. For instance, starting a blog on a free platform or creating profiles on freelance platforms requires no financial investment. These platforms provide the tools and resources needed to get started, allowing you to focus on building your brand and attracting clients. While some methods, like selling products online, might require a small initial investment for inventory or marketing, the potential return on investment can be significant. You can start with a small batch of products, test the market, and reinvest your earnings to grow your business gradually. The key is to start small, test different methods, and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. By doing so, you minimize risk and maximize your potential for success. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, persistence, and smart investments will pave the way to achieving your financial goals. Section 9. Success Stories. Inspiration at your fingertips. Countless success stories of individuals who started with no experience and built profitable online businesses demonstrate that anything is possible with dedication and perseverance. From stay-at-home mums earning a full-time income through blogging to college students paying off their student loans through freelancing, the possibilities are endless. These stories serve as a reminder that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires hard work, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Section 10. Conclusion. Your online journey awaits. The world of online earning is vast and ever-evolving. With so many opportunities available, there's a place for everyone, regardless of their experience level. Freelancing, e-commerce, surveys, blogging, affiliate marketing, and online tutoring are just a few avenues you can explore. Remember, the most important step is to take action. Choose a method that resonates with your skills and interests. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The online world is yours to conquer. You don't need experience to start, just the will to learn and try.